guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first ever FabFitFun box. I am totally excited. I think this was the February box. And I'm super excited. Like I said, this is my first one. And for those of you that don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a quarterly subscription service. It is more on the higher end price tag, but you get over $200 worth of products every month. And it's not only geared to beauty or makeup, it's geared to lifestyles. They have candles, blankets, scarf, like fashion, everything. And then they also add in fitness items as well, which I think is cool because I'm finally going back to the gym. So I am super excited to share with you guys. I will leave a link down below if you wanted to sign up, and I'll also try and see if I can get a coupon code for you guys. If you're excited to see what is in the spring box, then just keep watching. We're gonna open this together. Oh my god, look at how cute this packaging is. Ah, it's so cute. This box is huge. Okay, so, oh my god, there is so much stuff in here. I'm so excited. Okay, well, first off, right on top, they have this big magazine. And it tells you right inside all of the products, gives you a breakdown on how to use all the products. It also tells you Q&As with people who were featured in the box. They also tell you about their FabFitFun TV that they've released, which is really cool, about cooking, and they have tips and tricks on there as well. And then they've also, looks like they have collabed with Girl Rising, which is on the front page right here. It talks about Girl Rising. It says right now there are 130 million girls missing from classrooms around the world. Girl Rising is a global campaign for girls' education and empowerment, working to change that. Through multimedia campaigns and on-the-ground programs, we change the way people think about and value girls' education through storytelling, film, and other media. Focus on power of community led to solutions, working with local partners around the world. So I think that is super awesome that they're working with them. And then it goes into detail more about the products. So I'm just gonna leave this open so I can tell you guys the prices, but I'm not gonna look at it. First thing right on top I see is this, and to me this looks like a purse or a makeup bag or something. It's by Rachel Falley, or Pally, I'm not too sure how to say her name. It has its own dust bag, so I'm definitely thinking it's a purse. Oh my god, look how cute this is. It's like a clutch, but it opens up, and look at this beautiful spring design inside of it. Oh my god, I guess you could even do it both ways. Like, look at that. I really like this side. I just hope it doesn't get dirty. And it even has little tassels on the zipper right there. Say hello to the cutest clutches around from designer Rachel Pally, or however you say her name. These patterned picks are the perfect complement to any outfit. Our best part, they are reversible. So 2 clutches in one. So that's super cute. It looks like I got more of the neutral one. They did have a blue one and an orange one, but I'm really happy that I got the neutral one because I think I'll actually be able to use this for the summer. So right off the bat, it already pays for the box. I know I didn't mention the box, but it retails for $49.99, but they always have coupon codes to get your first box for $39. So if I have one, I will leave it on the screen or in the description box below. If not, go find someone who works with FabFitFun, use their coupon code, because I definitely think it's worth it. So this item alone already pays for the box. Everything else on top of it is a bonus. Okay, so next up I see a beauty item, I think, and this is by Ish Lip Statement Palette. It's in this cute black and gold packaging. I don't think I'm going to take this off because I might put this in a future giveaway I have going on. Oh my gosh, look how stunning. I'm going to take that off for one quick second. Look how stunning that is. This would be great for any artist, as I drop the brush, as well as anyone getting new into makeup when you're trying to find your colors, trying to find your shades, what you like, what works on you. And this will definitely help you be able to mix and match and create your own custom shades, which I think is incredible. I've never heard of Ish though, so I'm definitely excited to find out a little bit more about them. But I will be having a 5K giveaway on my Instagram very soon, so if you're not following me, I will leave my Instagram in the description box below, because I will be throwing this bad boy in it, because I do have other lip palettes as well. In the magazine, it says, "Pucker up, ladies. This palette features 11 intensely pigmented shades and 1 balm that will give your lips A beautiful pop of color, enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera. You can mix and match for endless color combinations. It's $42, and you can also use the code ISH20 and get 20% off on their website. So I think that is amazing. Okay, so next up I see this funky thing. I'm assuming this is what the fit part of it is. This says Physique 57 Massage Roller, serious results, serious relief. Use this massage roller after an intense physical workout. Give your muscles some sweet relief. Is this what people talk about when they want to get rolled out? Do you get what I mean? Like, you know when you hear people like, oh, I need to be rolled out. But this is really spiky. I feel like this would be really good on my legs though. Okay, so I'm gonna read about this because I don't really know. This retails for $20. It says this massage roller does wonders for sore, achy muscles. Improve flexibility, break up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. Just 5-10 minutes with this tool will have your body feeling all the feels. It says, tip, throw this in your carry-on bag when traveling to help relieve sore muscles on the go. That's cool. I got orange one. It looks like it came in gray, blue, and purple. And like, this is something that I wouldn't have personally gone out and purchased. So it's great that they added it into the box because now I'm super excited to try it. Next up, I see this little thing. It says, with love from Texas, free people. And it's this cute little eye mask, I think. Oh my God. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. It's like a pale peachy pink with gold and silver stars. And yes, it is an eye mask, but there's something in here. Oh, there's a gel pack in it. Oh my God, that's so cool. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God, that's sick. I'd definitely stick this in the fridge. So on here it says free people / understated leather starry-eyed travel mask. This vegan leather. Oh, it's vegan leather. That's really cool. Eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time with charming metallic patchwork. Keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. Tip, store the cooling pouch in the fridge to help depuff. That's definitely what I'm gonna do. And this retails for $40. Holy crap. Again, something that I wouldn't have purchased out on my own, but I'm so happy that they included it in the box. But I'm definitely excited. Next up, I see something from Murad, which is one of my favorite skincare brands. And this is their Skin Perfecting Lotion, which I actually think I have. It says lightweight oil-free moisturizer, provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract, Queen of Meadow refined skin texture with Arnica soothes skin for smoother, healthier looking complexion. So if I have this, again, I'll be throwing this in my 5K giveaway. It's just a moisturizer, oil-free. I love Murad. They're definitely one of my favorite skincare brands. I'm gonna see if they say anything else on here. It says Skin Perfecting Lotion, yes please. This ultra lightweight oil-free moisturizer helps blemish-prone skin stay smooth and healthy by providing hydration. So this retails for $40, and it says, tip, don't forget to use the lotion on your neck and chest to get full coverage. That's cool. Definitely always forget my neck and chest actually with my moisturizer. So super excited to have that. So this is by Dermalect. It's a makeover concealing ridge filler. Keratin peptide infused. Is this for nails? Yes, it is. So that's what it looks like right there. And it looks like it's just a ridge filler, peptide infused concealer and treatment. Yeah. Apply 1 to 2 coats on natural nails as a treatment or under nail polish as a base coat. That's cool. There's also an Ulta gift thing inside of the box. You can use the code DERMALECT20 and receive 20% off. Let's read about this bad guy. Keep your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy with this filler. This multitask by concealing nails imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with protein, vitamins, and moisturizer. This retails for $18. Says apply as a base or top coat, and you can wear it alone for a nice sheen. So that's super awesome. I don't really paint my nails that often. I'm just more of a girl that gets them done, but I definitely will either give this to my mom or maybe throw it in a giveaway as well. I see something by Korres. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is a body butter. Guave body butter. A simulating scent of tropical fruits. Smoothing and moisturizing cream for all over the body, rich in shea butter and avocado oil with softening, nourishing, and moisturizing properties. I'm definitely going to try this. It smells so good. Oh my god. I just put hand cream on, but that's okay. I love body butters. There's definitely like orange or something in here too. It's really, really nice. This would be good for after the shower in the morning to really wake you up. Korres is pretty expensive in my Shoppers Drug Mart, I'm pretty sure. So let's find out how much this bad boy is. So it looks like this was the beauty choice item. So with FabFitFun, you actually can somewhat customize your box. They let you know in advance if you want to pick between 2 different products, and I picked this guy instead of the lip masks here. So the Korres Guave Body Butter is $24. It says slather on right after showering so you can lock in the moisture. Super excited to have this. I'm definitely putting this beside my bed because I will be using that again. Smells so good. Okay, so 2 items left in the box. Look how cute these are. Oh my god. I can't even read the name because it's in like cursive writing. On here it just says Daydreamer tassel earrings. Etika, I don't know how to pronounce that properly. Excuse me as I'm butchering someone's name. But oh my gosh, look how cute those are. So they're little black tassel earrings with gold embellishments on them. How cute would that be with just a nice black dress? Oh my god, I love these. So, Daydreamer tassel earrings. Hello, statement earrings of your dreams. Put these cascading tassel beauties on and watch them dazzle all season long. Tip, these earrings are perfect to pair with t-shirt and washed out jeans as well. These retail for $58, so this pays for your box and then some. That is amazing. I've never heard of this brand. It's from Los Angeles, California. I am definitely gonna go check out their stuff, and I'm super excited to put these on. I think this would be really cute for like a date night with a dress, or like they were saying, in jeans and a t-shirt. I still can't believe these are $58. And this is definitely something that I don't go for either. Like I normally just go for studs or whatever. So looks like this is the last item in our box. Says number 1 Manhattan Beach. Bergamot, musk, white jasmine, Brazilian softwood, citrus. Is this a candle? Oh my god, this is definitely a candle. Oh my gosh. Mine's a little dirty, but can you look at this copper? I'm so excited. Oh my god, it smells so good. Almost smells manly but beachy at the same time. I love like musks and stuff, and this Brazilian soft woods is like calling to me. So it says here that there's actually 3 different ones that you could have got. So I got Manhattan Beach. You also could have got Fresh Linen and Super Bloom. Super Bloom sounds really nice. These retail for $45. Holy crap. And this is by Anderson Lily. Says, is there anything better than lighting a candle after a long day? Made with hand-poured coconut wax blend and a cotton lead-free wick, the candle delivers a clean, even burning fragrance. Housed in a lovely copper-colored vessel, these candles will add as much style as they do fragrance to any room. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly add up the total retail value of all of the products, and I will be right back. So this month's box retailed for $347, and I paid $39.99. That is insane. I don't understand how they do it, but honestly, I'm appreciative. I love it. I love it. I am so excited. It says total value between $347 to $354 depending on your selection that you got. And I love everything in my box. I am super excited for the eye mask. Can't wait to burn the candle. Cannot wait for that body butter. I am excited that I already have the moisturizer, but it is such a great moisturizer. I'm definitely going to use that eye patch for sure tonight as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. What did you get in your box this month? Was it different than mine? What is your favorite product from my box this month? And like I said, if you guys wanted to sign up for FabFitFun, I will leave the link in the description box below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!